Oi, marketers! If you want to supercharge your business with chat automation, you're in the right place. Quick heads up, there's a cheeky little discount waiting for you in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. Now let's settle this once and for all. ManyChat versus Dialogflow. Who's really the chatbot champion? First up, ManyChat. Imagine you're building a chatbot for Facebook Messenger or Instagram, but you've got like zero coding experience. ManyChat's your best mate. It's all drag and drop, point and click. You can whip up automated flows, set up broadcasts, and even handle payments, with barely more effort than making a cuppa. Plus, it's packed with templates, and the interface is friendlier than your nan at Sunday roast. But if you want to get clever and go off Facebook or Insta, you'll start to hit a few walls. Now let's talk Dialogflow. Think of it as the slightly geeky cousin who's got a PhD in languages. Powered by Google, Dialogflow lets you build super smart bots that can understand natural language, work across loads of platforms, WhatsApp, Slack, websites, you name it. It's perfect for complex use cases like handling bookings or answering FAQs in multiple languages. But let's be real, you'll need some technical chops. If the word JSON makes you sweat, Dialogflow might leave you reaching for a biscuit. So what's the verdict? If you want quick, easy, and mostly social media-based bots, ManyChat's the way to go. If you're dreaming up something more sophisticated and you're not scared of a bit of coding, Dialogflow's your pal. Still not sure? Why not try them both? There's a shiny discount link in the description just for you. Go on, give it a click. All right, marketers, that's your chatbot battle in 2 minutes. Hit the link below for your special offer, subscribe for more no-nonsense marketing tips, and let me know in the comments which bot wins your vote. Cheers for watching.